Alright, I'm back. SpongeBob? Alright, so I already got the project open. I don't know why it does that shit sometimes. Just wigs out, won't let me open a project. But we are in now. So, hell yeah. Refunding my points, hold on, well, it'll be okay. It'll be alright. Oh, I got friggin' ads. The friggin' ads, man. Alright, so I need to fix some things with the metahumans on, I think it's the last 3 female heads. Because it didn't play, huh? So I was gonna do it again? Yeah, I saw it. I didn't hear it, but I saw that you redeemed it. So it'll be okay. It'll be alright. Did the hello motherfucker play for 3D modeling? I don't know. I didn't hear it, so I'm not sure. Rusey, hi. What's up, Rusey? What you got going on? Oh, because that's in Q2? Yeah, I mean, might as well refund it. It probably didn't play. Might have bugged. Rusey? It's Rusey! Have you beat... Still addicted to DG2? Have you beat it yet? Hey, LOD7 is beautiful. LOD8. Okay, refunded? Hell yeah. Preesh. Alright, so I think that one is fine. Let me find this one. Pretty sure this one I need to fix. No, I've been doing more map exploring and less of a main quest. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let me fix the damn color of the skin real quick. Need to also go through and organize some folders in this project. Well, hell yeah. Yeah, I've heard the game's pretty damn big. Are we starting work? Woohoo! Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in the project. We got it. We got it going. Sometimes that shit just bugs out. I also got a good bit of this project backed up on GitHub now as well. Want to see an epic clip? Sure. I'll take a peek. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's a few things that are too big for it, but that'll be fine for now. Oh my god, this song is loud as hell. Yeah, if I get back to work, I can just pay it for get LFS. Alright, let's see. So I need the skin color.
Tell me why
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I appreciate the biddies. Okay, haha, I think there's an issue with the sound redeems. Oh, actually, you're right. I did get an email. Yeah, I think the sound redeems are completely broken right now, actually. I saw an email earlier that said my blurb. I needed to do some things in my blurb. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, the sound redeems are broken right now. I completely forgot about that email. Let me just fix that real quick. El Gordo, what's up, El Gordo? Dark Inside, hey up. What's up? What up, what up? Alright, so let me figure out what I need to do to fix this. Let me look at where that email was. See what the hell it said I needed to do. I appreciate the biddies. Is it working now? Let me do a test.
Hello, motherfucker.
Okay, that one worked for me. It might be work. Might be good. Hell yeah, I appreciate the biddies. Just chilling? Hell yeah. What's on the plans today? Yeah, working again then? Hell yeah. Okay, cool. Should be fixed. Should be fixed. That sounded amazing. Hydrate? Sure. Like sound effects in Japanese? How is... What makes it Japanese? How do we know the language? Okay, so I need... What is it I needed? Oh, I need to go back to the... Metahumans... Here. Face... Oh no, not you. I need to go to... Where you at? Right here. I need this one. That's how they vocalize the act of licking something? Oh, is it? I did not know this. Okay, let's take a look. So on this one, on LOD... Oh wow, yeah, I didn't know that. 3, yes, okay, I need to fix these materials. Let me check these. So hedge. Head shader. Is that right? Or I need to go...
Lick my balls! Yeah!
Lick my balls. Sure. I appreciate the biddies. The real question is, what are they licking? True. I guess someone's balls. Somebody's balls. One. Head LOD1. Okay, so this needs to be head LOD1. Oh, come on. Tried to press the skip button, it didn't work. Let's go to something else. Let's go to way down here somewhere. Oh god, there's a lick right there. Let me check. Head and teeth are fine. Saliva, eye left. Eye right, eye shell. Okay, eyelashes, eye edge. Then cartilage. Yes. Let's go to LOD 2. LOD 2. This needs to be head LOD 2. Clip sent. You might want to turn it up a little bit. Music is so good. Okay, let me just pause this music. Pull up the old Discord. And let's see. UI looks pretty clean. It's a big ass dragon. It was super intense. Yeah, this game does look hella good. I'll probably play it eventually, but probably not anytime soon. Oh, hell yeah. Got a big ass dragon. Oh, it looks so pretty. Landscape. Man. Hell yeah. Yeah, that shit looks badass. I do want to play it. Would be nice. Would be nice. Landscape is beautiful. The landscape does look beautiful.
Victory screech!
Teeth shader, saliva, I left. Saliva, I left. I right, I shall. I right, I shall. Eyelashes, I edge. Eyelashes, I edge. Hell yeah. I may, but buy it after first patch. Yeah. I've heard the performance is a little rough. How is the performance for you, Rusi? Have you had any performance issues? I've heard it's a little rough on PC. Getting paid to sit because the one spot I could do is taken. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with getting paid to sit. I wish I got paid to sit. I mean, I guess I kind of do with Twitch, but not very much. Definitely not as much as what you're making right now. It does crash like once in 20 hours for FPS. Lowest could get around to 2030, but I use 2080 for GPU. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like the performance is a little hit or miss. Damn. Well, I'm sure that'll get patched out, though. They'll get that kind of straightened out. I mean, I'd pay more if you sit on me instead. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, my lord. Hell yeah. How much you paying? Shit, I'll sit on you for some money. Does that offer stand for me as well? Saliva, I left. Okay, no, this needs to be... I left. Right. I'm too old to be a sugar baby though. Hey, I'll be one. I'll be one. An i7 9700K for CPU. The game is CPU heavy? Yeah, I've heard the CPU. Yeah, I was actually listening to some videos earlier about some CPU stuff. I heard like if there like the more NPCs that are in, like the more AIs that are on the screen, like that's when it gets really, really bad. I show eyelashes. I shall. Eyelashes. Is that the one that I need? Oh, whoops. Yes. And then eye edge. Eye edge. You should twerk, Carrie. Show them what you're made of. What you're working with. Oh, I'm not working with much. I'm not working with much. I got an itty bitty booty. Itty bitty. Where are you from again, Lord Kenny? Lord Kenny is from everywhere. He's our Lord. He is everywhere. Good old UK, good old UK. With a southern accent, though. It's okay, Carrie. Some people like that. Yeah, some people like itty bitty booties. Yeah, to be fair, gameplay is, itself is fantastic to say the least. Yeah, I'll give it some time before I play it. I haven't really been playing mini games at all recently, so I can wait and give it some time to get patched up and hopefully get some better performance. Because with my PC, if it's struggling like that with your setup at my PC, it'll straight up shit the bed. A place I'd like to visit one day, only place on that side of the globe I've been to is Ireland. Hell yeah, I haven't been anywhere over there. I haven't even been anywhere in the damn US. Oh, there's something I could be useful for? Yeah. You go spend the night with Lord Keeney. My playtime is 52 hours, LVO. Damn, that's a shit ton. Do you have any? Have you heard anything about how long the game is? So you've not been anywhere apart from where you are now, Carrie? Yeah, I've only been to Georgia, Florida, Alabama, and Tennessee. I haven't been anywhere. Let's go play Taurus, Carrie, and Rusi. Shit, let's go. I'm down. Let's go. I'd rather not know is kind of spoiler. Yeah, fair. Fair. Yeah, I haven't heard anything about how long it is. But if you got that much time in it, it sounds like it's got a decent bit to do. Tourist? Yeah, we're gonna go play Tourist in the UK. There you go. You have one of the best UK tourist guides to guide you along the way. I know, right? We'd have a famous local rapper giving us the old tour of the UK. Okay. I gotta refresh the damn playlist. None of my skip buttons are working. And it's annoying me. Does it work now? No? Damn it. Let's go. Here. Yeah. We can kidnap Carrie and go hang with Lord Kenny. Damn right. I'm down. I'm down. Get me out of this damn place. LOD7. Yeah, that's what you'll be saying when you get over here. Well, really? You think so? Why? Why would I say that? Shit, I haven't been anywhere cool. UK is so bad? How so? It probably just feels that way because you grew up there, right? Then maybe we can all hop over to Spain and bother sticks. Wander down to Australia too. Ooh, Australia sounds really cool. I think the main two places I'd like to visit are Germany and Japan. I think also some places in South America would be pretty cool. Yeah. It just is? I don't know, maybe? Yeah. I bet it ain't that bad. Bet it ain't that bad. We'll just keep adding to our party. Let's just go everywhere. Let's just do a world tour. A full-on world tour. Ben will agree with me if Ben ever wakes up. Oh, Ben's up. I talked to him earlier. What did you do to make Ben so tired, Kenny? Ooh. What did Kenny do to Ben? He must be sleeping again. He went back to sleep. Ben? He doing something. Where's it at? Here we go. LOD 2. LOD 2. Hit LOD 2. Then there should be Leave I left. Then I right, I shall. Then eyelashes, I edge. Okay, guess that's good. Alright, let's go. LED 3. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. LOD 3.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I appreciate the biddies. It's a bumpin' ass song. Oh, inventory's still not finished yet? Oh shit, what else is left? Still need to use and equip items? Yeah, I'm not done with that part either. We can drop items, but that's it. Hey, that's still something though. That's still something though. You're not too far from getting it done though. Like once you can use the items and shit.
Turn on the catwalk, yeah, on the catwalk, on the catwalk, yeah, I shake my little tush on the catwalk.
What'd he say? I appreciate the biddies. Indeed? Yeah, you'll get it done in no time, man. It's the sexy song. Is that the song when, that's the song that plays when I walk in a room? I show eyelashes. Trill, what's up, Trill? What you got going on? Is that the song that described Kamiko in 2 words? Hell yeah. I show eyelashes. And then I edge. Go. Just got up? Hell yeah. What's on your plans for the day? LOD4. LOD4. This will be head LOD4. LOD4 teeth. It'll be eye left, eye right. Eye left. And eye right. Hey Shrill, I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts. And I'm too sexy for Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York, and Japan. I'm too sexy for your party, too sexy for your party. No way, I'm disco dancing. Is that the lyrics? Might start the Maze project, should be easy to make. Yeah, Maze project sounds easy. That sounds like a good starter project. Hell yeah. We're back on the old RPG today. Yeah? Hell yeah. Yeah, I never quite knew the actual words in it. I could catch like most of the words, but you know, like when you're listening to a song, there's just like those words that you just never really know what the hell they're saying until you look up the lyrics. Head. Hold up. Head. Teeth. Oh, I fucked up the teeth, I think. Teeth. I think I got eyeball texture on her teeth right now. And this should be eye left. Eye right. And then I show. Oh, we got ads. Friggin' ads, man. LOD5. LOD5. So LOD7. It's gonna be eye left. Eye right. Go LOD6. This one. Alright, let me catch up here. Oh, also I had 3 ideas for a side project: tower defense, survival, and dungeon crawler. Survival. Survival's pretty big. What kind of survival? Tower defense and dungeon crawler, I think, would be pretty small though. Is that Britney Spears? Hell yeah. I appreciate the biddies. Have you not heard the song before? Yeah, I've heard it before. Mario's helped me choose. I'm going for tower defense? Really? Yeah, tower defense could be pretty chill. Plus I can fire questions Siler's way if I need assistance. Yeah. Yeah, tower defense could be pretty easy. I left. I'll play the fuck out of a well-made tower defense. I've only played like 1 or 2 tower defense games before, I think. You have to play the fuck out of me first? Oh god. The wall you use to block out, how do you send so the squares don't stretch when you size them? Hold on, what are you asking? What do you mean? My blockout squares? It's a part of level prototyping. So if you go into your level prototyping here and go into meshes and pull out a cube and you just stretch it. That's all you gotta do. They automatically don't stretch because they have world alignment material on it. Chars, what's up, Chars? What you got going on? How are you? I'm doing pretty good, man. What you got going on? What the hell's going on with this texture? Texture streaming. We'll deal with that later. Do a restart here in a second. Derp Shadow, nice wall. Hey, I appreciate it. You talking about this wall? Or my big old cube wall? I think this wall is better. The one you were building? Yeah, this big old cube wall? Yeah, this one's pretty nice. I like this one. Just got back from work? Oh, hell yeah. How was work, man? Also, welcome in, Derp. How's it going? Where's the world alignment so I can add? So I can hook to anything? You have to set up world alignment. World alignment is quite a task. So to do world alignment, I can just show you in the master. You need to set up a material kind of like this. You need...
Can you give me something with a bit more of a beat?
You need this material function right here.
Yeah, that's better.
So we have a texture object going into a world align texture. So if you just right click, world align, world... if I can spell, world align. Where's it at? World align texture. You need this material function, and then you can get a texture object. Texture object. Probably want parameter. Texture object parameter, and you can name it whatever the hell you want. And you can get a texture sampler by just pressing T and clicking. And then you want to hook this guy into the texture. And then you want to hook this guy also into the texture object of the world align texture. And then I have a switch right here to turn on and off world alignment. And that's kind of how you deal with world alignment. This music reminds me of Spanish circus music. You talking about the song that's on right now? It's good old Conquered Bad Fur Day. I love that game. Follow Charge Des? Yeah, everyone give Charge Dev a follow. How are you? I'm good. Hell yeah. Good, good. Did a legendary 4 tables for Sunday lunch at work. Chef? Hell yeah. 4 tables? Like you cooked for 4 tables? This material is so small now compared to my other material. I need to add some shit to it. I need to build this one back up. Junior Gaming? Hey, what's up, Junior Gaming? What you got going on? What up, what up? No, they cooked 4 tables? You cooked 4 tables? No, before that? I have no idea what was on before that. What was on before that? Let's look at the history. Oh, I think it was also Conker's Bad Fur Day. Yeah, also Conker's Bad Fur Day. How do you cook 4 tables? I left. I right. No 1K Potion Shop? What you mean? So, we've played Potion Shop twice already, El Gordo. Sadness ensues. We've played it. You can play it again. They put barbecue on 4 tables and then put them in a fire pit and flip them time to time. Fair enough. Fair enough. Cool. Vape? Are you asking what kind of vape that I have? I have a Aegis. I think it's an Aegis Legend, a geek vape. Okay, so let's do our. I think we have one more face to do. Female face 6. Damn, it is just stuck on Conker's Bad Fur Day. I bet my shuffle is off. Yeah, let me turn shuffle back on. We're stuck in Conker's Bad Fur Day land for a minute here. Okay, so let's go to LOD 1. This needs LOD 1 here. Trying to think of how I could add the functionality for using items still. Are you thinking of like making it like a hotkey? I guess you would kind of need like a hotkey, right? Are you able to just immediately use items that are in your inventory, or are you having to equip, like say if you have different consumables, do you have to equip and unequip those consumables? Like have equipment slots? If you select the item in your inventory, you press F or press the use button. You're not doing equipment slots? Okay, so you just have to go into your inventory and use it. Leo Pisciato, or Pisciato? Hello, my man, what's up? What you got going on, Leo? What it do? So let's do LOD2 here. LOD2. You only technically equip things such as weapons, etc. Okay. So you can't equip consumables. But do you still want a hotkey for it? Or do you have to go into the inventory and use the item? What is LOD in this context? It's the level of detail. So if I go all the way down to LOD 7, you see she gets real jank looking. LOD 0 is the best. Ah, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I mean, it's still the same. It's just different LODs for the face. So there's different meshes that gets used depending on what LOD you're using. Still need to figure out the story and the plot and how the character starts in the maze. Hell yeah. Are you making a game design document, Shrill? You need to open the inventory, and once it's open and you have selected an item, you can use the hotkey or press the use button to use it. Okay, so you have to go into the inventory to use it. So yeah, so the way that I do it, are you still using structs? I forget. Did you move back to UObjects or using structs? Because the way that I do it is when you like click an item, you get the info from that item in that slot, and then I basically have another struct that is of the same struct type. It's kind of confusing, but let me just pull it up. Pull up my inventory. This inventory is way less done than my other one, but I can still probably... Actually, I don't have any use item functionality in here, but I can kind of give you an idea, maybe, for how I do it. So basically, I just create another, let me find my... Like... I just create another struct that is the same like item info. Like they all come from the same place. I just name it differently. And then say when you click an item, you get the info from that index, and then promote your new struct to that information from that index. So it derives from the inventory item? Yeah, so basically, like, you would just get a copy, I believe, at what index that you're getting it from. So from the index, you get a copy from that, and then you set your new struct to the information that exists within that index. And then based on that, you use the information that you got from that index.
Everyone!
Leo, hey, I appreciate the prime. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna learn UE5 today. Ooh, have you started? Are you just now starting? Also, I appreciate the prime. But yeah, that's kind of how I'm doing it. It'd be easier to explain if I was on the other project right now, because I have that inventory way more done, but... yeah, you basically just get the information from that index, and then you promote your new struct to that, which, like the way I like the new struct would be, like, say, if it's a consumable, I would promote it to a consumable item, and then that'll be your consumable info. And say if you use that, you would set your consumable info item back to none. You're welcome, bro. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. What are you thinking about diving into today with learning? What's the other project? It's a horror game. Yeah, it's a little horror game. I have way more of the inventory done in that project than this one. This one, I've been stuck in character creator hell for like 2 months now. Yes, I'm new with the software, but I'm starting crazy. Hell yeah. Hey, you'll get it. It's tough, but you'll get it. So you aren't calling... But yeah, I have a use item function. And depending on, like, the item type, it does different things. Oh, did the stream die? The audio go out? Seems fine now. I think it's fixed. Oh god, I guess I bugged for a second. It's done that a few times. So hopefully it doesn't fully die here. I had to refresh. Yeah, I don't know what the hell happened. It's fine now. Some streams are just plagued with issues. This is one of those times. Wait, to damn restart the stream earlier. I imagine it's because of whatever you open, probably. It's probably from shutting that down and then reopening this. I tried to connect different animations with State Machine and a Blueprint, but I have a bug for a strange region. What's the bug? What bug are you having? I think OBS was going crazy when loading UE5. OBS was like, what are you doing to me? It's like, oh my god. You're using way too much CPU. Why are you stuck with character creation this much time? Is this system very hard to implement? It's not hard. It's just time consuming. It's pretty easy. It's one of the easier systems that I'm gonna build, but it's just time consuming. That's mostly why. Okay, so if I go into my components inventory, I actually have my use item function in my equipment, I believe. Let me pull that one up too. Yeah, with the different characters, skin color, morph targets, etc. Yeah, it's a lot. And we still got a shitload to do on it too. The animation looks okay, but when I start play a game going wrong, can I send you a fast clip on Discord? Sure, take a look. Yeah, there's a lot that goes into character creator. Yeah, it's especially an in-depth one like this. This is the most detailed character creator that I've built. Okay, so let me open my equipment component as well. So I have a... Nope, that's in my inventory. I have a function called use item. So in the use item function, I have an input of an item info, which is, you know, just my structs. So I break that open, and I check the item type, which I could just hide unconnected pins. I just check the item type, and then I grab a switch on item type, and depending on which item we're trying to use, it calls different functions. But I'm equipping items before I use them. So all I'm doing here is I'm equipping them. So what I'm doing for equipping, so on like this one, I have another input of called food info in here. So if you see, our item info is going from in here, it's going into our food info, this input right here. And basically, we have our food info struct in here. We're checking to see if it's a valid class. So if it exists, and if it does exist, we pick it up, like meaning we unequip the one that is already equipped. And if it doesn't exist, we just equip it. And then we set our button info. And then once this is equipped, we have that functionality in our equipment in here, which is doing all of this stuff. This is just, you know, adding health and shit like that. That's the functionality for that, but I am calling that function on just a hotkey in the player character here. So consume food, I'm just calling that consume food function that's in our equipment component right here. And you can see we're grabbing our food info. So we're just setting our food info in the inventory component. So when we use an item, we set that the item that we selected from the inventory, we set that item to be our food info. And then based on what our food info is, we consume food, which is grabbing our food info. And then grabbing we have a consumable info struct in here, and we just add health and stamina. Yeah. Here, let me catch up here. I thought last night setting hotkeys on blinders to my Steam Deck. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Gamble 1%, gamble all. Oh, you lost. What's up, Brian? What you got going on? Good morning. How are you? Yeah, that makes sense to me. I could do something similar, but we'll have to bear in mind that I'm only equipping things such as weapons, etc. Yeah. You would just have to like instead, like so like on the like right here where I'm using an item. So like say if you're using a food item or a consumable, instead of setting that to like equipping it, which is what I'm doing in here, you would just immediately use it, or like call your widget to open up or something like that. Could you further explain this a little bit? I'm curious because I too wish to implement character creation in my game using shape keys, etc. Ooh, you want to do shape keys? Okay, that's going to be the hardest part. We actually are almost... We've got all of our morph targets made, but... Here, let me pull the other project back up real quick, and I can explain it a little bit more by showing a little bit of the work that I've put into the character creator. Lurk? Hey, I appreciate the lurk. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't be too tough. I think, like, just getting the damn item in your inventory is the hardest part, in my opinion. I send you OBS clip on general chat on Discord. I would put it in maybe game dev questions. Cause you have a question about it pretty much, right? I'd probably put it in game dev questions. Alright, so if I dive into my widgets, character creator, my main character creator widget here. And keep in mind that this character creator is not done yet. Like I haven't even, like I have morph targets, but I haven't implemented sliders and stuff for it yet. Sent. Here, let's take a look while that's opening. Alright. I'm live on Twitch. I try to fix this animation bug. Oh, you're, Did you retarget these? Or are you using a root motion animation? I think you might be using a root motion animation instead of a in-place animation. That looks like a root motion animation to me. Are you using a root motion animation? Where'd you get your animation? Oh, look, Ben sent you a message? Yeah, that was from earlier. From earlier. Yes, I before used Mixamo Converter before. That is okay with animation? Yeah, but if you didn't mark it to be in place, then you're going to use root motion. Let me pull up Mixamo. I might need to log in. Oh, yeah. Alright, let me log in real quick. So when you grab an animation, like walking, you see how it's moving forward? It's actually moving from where it's at. You need to check this to be in place. You need your animation in place. That way it doesn't just move forward away from you. If you didn't check this, this is what it looks like to me. It looks like you didn't check in place, and now it's moving away from you and coming back while you're moving. Wonderful, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Hopefully that fixes it. If I downloaded all packages the same? I don't know. I normally just grab animations individually, so I'm not sure how downloading a bunch of them that way are. Okay, so the person that was wondering about Character Creator. Character Creator's pretty easy. For the most part, you're just, you know, clicking a button. So on everything, we basically have a bind event on clicked, and we just change a bunch of values. So this is our, we're setting our male. So if we, you know, set that we're a male character, we just set all of this stuff. We set our head type. Aw, damn, we got ads. Wait on the ads before I keep going. But we do have a lot of shit in here. Alright, ads are done. Yeah, basically, we just have all of these bind events coming off of our custom event we have called button controls, and we add our button controls to our event construct. And basically, yeah, we're just doing different shit in here. So we're setting our classes in these collapse nodes. So if we set a human, we bind event to on-clicked human, and we set our enum to be human. We set all of our human stats right here, and then we update some of our text that are in the widget to what the stats are that we set inside of here. And then, yeah, that's basically all of the rest of this shit. We're just updating widget stuff back here. Visual scripting seems so crazy. Yeah, it looks pretty wild, doesn't it? I'm pretty new to C++. I know blueprints, but I'm like currently learning C++. But yeah, it can get pretty big And we have like our subtract stats in here. This is where we're adding and subtracting stats from our character. Also, just bound to an on-clicked. And we're just basically changing our actual stats on our player and then updating widget stuff. And we have some functions in here. So yeah, everything is basically just bound to a click. You click a button, you change things with the character creator. That's kind of what makes it easy. I don't really know how to like explain it solidly because we've been building this for a while, but like I guess this is a good example. We click a button, our mail button. We check to see what class we are. And depending on what class we are, we just set the skeletal meshes, we set the materials, we set our morph targets. Because different classes have different morph targets. Yeah, we just set some more materials, we set skeletal mesh assets. We have this thing called clear all dynamic materials. That is just calling a bunch of different functions. It's just resetting our dynamic materials back to default. But yeah, just to kind of show you how it's looking in the actual game. Let me go into the map. I'm a C# guy myself, not a fan of C++. Yeah, sadly Unreal Engine uses C++, so I kind of gotta learn C++. I've heard C# is a little bit easier to learn, but I've watched people do C# and it doesn't really look that different from C++. Like I've heard the main thing like from C# users, what they don't like about C++ is things like pointers and stuff like that. Thank you, man. I'm thankful that you show us how you do your stuff. It's educational and it helps a lot. Yeah, man. So if you check my channel, you're on YouTube right now. If you check my channel, I have a full-on tutorial on how to create a character creator. It's not as in-depth as the one I'm building here, but I have a full-on tutorial on how to do it. But yeah, this is kind of how the character creator in here is looking so far. So we can set our name. We can set our different classes. Starter skills, I haven't done anything with this yet, but we can go to our attributes menu and we can change like our starter stat points. You can kind of take away from some and add to others. You can edit your appearance, so you can come over here, you can choose female or male. You can change your voice and test it. You can set different heads. We're still working on this part right here for the female side, but yeah, you come in here and choose your different heads. You can change your skin color. We have a bunch of preset skin colors that you could choose. You can also just come in here and we have basically a color wheel. You can choose whatever color you want. You can change the saturation and the value. We have a maturity slider, so by sliding this, you can change how much wrinkles he has in the face. We also have a freckle slider. Kind of subtly adds some freckles. It's kind of hard to see, but it's pretty subtle. You can add some freckles to the face. And yeah, right now what we've been working on, though, is like, say if we choose an elf class, we're updating our icons, like our head icons. So depending on which class you choose, the icons will update to like how that class generally looks. Yeah, right now I need to update the female ones. So if I'm a female and I change my class, they're not updating yet because I need to. That's what I'm working on now. We also can't change our female heads yet. So, and then this menu right here, this is where we're gonna change our morph targets. So we haven't made it to that yet. We haven't made it to any of these other menus yet. So, yeah. I've added a use function to the inventory component that checks to see if the item exists in the inventory, and if it does, we check to see if we can use the item, and if we can, we simply remove the item from the inventory for now. But it crashes? I'm confused. Oh god. What? It makes it crash? Maybe you're causing some kind of infinite loop somehow. Maybe. Well, pointers are basically automatic in C#. Yeah, I've heard that complaint a lot about C++, about pointers. But pointers don't seem too crazy. At least a little bit that I have used them. I guess it's just kind of like if you come from C#, it's kind of hard to like remember doing that kind of thing. But I don't know. I've barely messed with C#. I mean, I don't even know much about C++ yet. I'm still very, very noob to C++. But yeah. Alright, so let's go back to our other map real quick. Thank you, man. I'm thankful for you to, okay, I read that one. That's awesome. Gonna check that out. Yeah, if you check out the Souls series that I'm doing, the whole entire like beginning part of that series is all like character creator stuff. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know. Yeah, that sounds like it's probably some kind of infinite loop happening. Does it say there's an infinite loop? I started with C++ when I was a wee lad, but when I started doing more software-oriented things, I moved to C#. Software as opposed to games. I mean, yeah, not game dev, but yeah, software stuff. Yeah, but I mean, a lot of software stuff is done in C++ as well, though, right? I guess you could do it in a bunch of different languages, but yeah, I haven't really touched software like stuff at all. I've pretty much only done game dev stuff. Yeah. The little bit that I've watched of C#, it doesn't, like, I was watching one of my buddies do some Unity stuff the other day, and, or like a few weeks ago, and like while I was watching him, I noticed a few differences. Like, I noticed a few differences, like in the way if statements work, and like the whole pointer thing. But for the most part, it looked almost identical to me. But that could just be my noobness. Not really seeing the big differences. I'm not sure if it says. I couldn't check because of the crash. Yeah, it just crashed. Bro, get out of coding? Truebone? What's up, Truebones? Get out of coding? Get out of coding? Why get out of coding? You kind of need coding for game dev. Definitely a lot of similarities. I believe C# is more or less built on top of C++. Yeah, like C# from what I've heard is kind of like a child of C++, right? Alright, let's open our face. Yeah, something like that, yeah. Hell yeah. So do you use... What engine do you do stuff in? Dirt? Lately, since the Unity fiasco, I play around in Godot. Nice, nice. And you can use in Godot. You could use multiple different languages in that, right? Isn't that how Godot is? Yeah, they have support for their own scripting language, C# and C++. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about Godot. I've seen some videos on it too. It looks pretty decent. Oh, not really C++? Really? Derp says that they have C++ support. Not really C++ support? No, really? B2. Let's see. Okay, I haven't really looked into that bit of it, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, you use C#, so probably not looking too deep into the C++ side of things. Let's see. Levi left. I write I shall. Eyelashes. I edge. This needs to be. Eyelashes. Just GD script of C#. The C++ side is if you use GD extension, which is a way to extend nodes and such using C++. So it does somewhat support C++, but not in the sense that Unreal supports C++, etc. Yeah, okay. So you just have to add an extension that lets it support C++. I guess that's still something, right? Hey, Derp. Cammy says, hey. Let's go LOD3. Okay, with C# it's nice because they rewrote the engine using the .NET framework. Hey Cam, long time no see. Oh shit, you know Cam? Damn. It's a small ass world out there, man. Yeah, hell yeah. Would it have been easier if you used sliders for the face part instead of using different heads? I'm using sliders and different faces. So originally I was just gonna use sliders, but I found it to be kind of limiting with how much that you could do with it, so I decided to add different heads as well. Like getting different like facial structures out of just one head didn't quite work out the way that I thought it would, so that's why I added different heads as well. Yeah, I was thinking that as well, likely done, but it didn't quite work out. Didn't quite work out the way I thought it would. Yeah, from Slide on Branches? Oh, Slide on Branches! Hell yeah, I love Slide. He hasn't been streaming lately, has he? I don't feel like I've seen him in a while. Yeah, hell yeah. Nah, he quit for now? Did he just straight up quit, or is he just taking a break? He quit cold turkey? Very sad? Really? Did he say why? Hopefully he'll be back. He'll probably be back. I've taken a few long breaks as well. Sometimes you just straight up need a break, man. Sort of similar to the TSM Daikon, TSM Hamlin's situation? What is that? I don't know what that is. It did say why, but I can't really recall why. Was it anything bad though? Oh, okay. Something about switching his focus back to other stuff? Okay, okay. So he just wanted to focus his efforts everywhere. He was streaming a lot. Like he did long ass streams for a long time. They're both streamers too. Well, were until they quit streaming for medical reasons. They came back about 2 years ago and then left again. Cold turkey. Very sad. Damn. Yeah, I mean, yeah, people quit streaming for all sorts of reasons. I take breaks every now and again. I don't know if I ever like fully quit. Who knows? But I'll probably take another long ass break again at some point. Probably. He streamed 10 to 11 hours every day, except Saturday. Yeah, I miss him though. Yeah, that's a long ass time. That's a long. Those are long ass streams. Like I was doing like 8 hours a day there for a while. And just doing 8 hours is rough. Like now I only do like 4 to 5 hours. I have not been streaming. How long has it been since you streamed, Stro? I gotta go for a bit. Was fun hanging. Have a good one. Hey, I appreciate you hanging out. You have a good one, man. Bro, what is happening here with my inventory system? What I can't use items? Dude, inventory's crazy. Inventory's crazy, isn't it? It's fun. I thought doing it like that too because I was thinking about games like Fallout 4 and thought that I could achieve something like that in a simple way using sliders. I tried the same thing, man. It's hard making clean morph targets like that. It's pretty hard. I was gonna try the same thing in this project and it was tough. It was tough getting good results out of that. Like I was just gonna use one head for male, one head for female, and then just change everything about the facial structure with a slider. But it felt limited. So I added in multiple heads, and then just kind of like my max number of morph targets is 9.
Piggy Wiggy.
Who that?
Piggy
Marius.
Wiggy, Piggly Wiggly.
Marius. Ooh woo, Piggy Wiggy. What's up, Marius? I appreciate the biddies. March 6th was the last one. Hell yeah. You gonna take a break for a while, or are you gonna come back? I wonder if the
fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. I wonder if the inventory widget blueprint is broken somewhere. It could be. I don't know. Is it just crashing? Did it crash again? Not much, not much. Just in between all the streams. Hell yeah. Yeah, Marius is all over the place. Marius all over the place. Hell yeah. Is Ben here? I haven't seen Ben yet. I have not seen Ben. Yeah, it doesn't give any errors. Yeah, it just straight up crashes. Ben is sleeping. I know he's awake, but I haven't seen him here. Eyelashes. One momento. Let me just set this one last thing here. Eye edge. All right, potion shop. Let's pull up potion shop right here. Lazy motherfucker. Nah, man. I will come back. Just been working on getting Duck School YouTube channel up and going. What are you doing on the YouTube channel? LOD4. LOD4. And this is gonna be LOD4. Campbell. Oh, you're broke. Broke as hell now. This is gonna be an LOD4. Let's see. I left, I right, I shall. I left, I right, I shall, yeah. Okay. I left. I right. What are different things for people to learn the duck's way? What does that mean? What does learning the duck's way mean? I shall. Okay, so we got that. Let's go to the next one. LOD5. Talk later, Carrie. Hey, I appreciate you stopping in, man. We'll see you around. Nope, the widget blueprint handles it fine. So I'm so confused right now. So what if you just start unplugging things? Just unplug like a function at a time, and then see where the hell it's breaking at. That's what I would do probably. See where it's causing the crash to happen. All right. I left. I want to put up guides for OBS, how to make overlays, emotes, and other things for streaming, and guides on modeling in Blender and UE5 and stuff. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That'd be badass. Hopefully it does good. I left. All right. All right, so we got all of those LODs done. So now we need to get her set up in the icon generator. Cool. So let's go to our third person maps icon generator. Alright, so let's go into construction script. Yeah, we don't need any more targets. We just need to set Fs. Uh-oh, did it happen again? Did it happen again? Let's go to our materials icon generator. We need to organize this. So let's move all of that over. No, a dumb thing just broke. Oh god, what broke? Sounds like you're having a tough time, Kenny. Throw that in there. Night. Uber. I set the server method as ufunction blueprint callable instead of ufunction server reliable. Why did I do that? Whoops. Whoops. So what is server reliable? Oh, never mind. I know what reliable is. That's like on the like when you replicate something and you could check that reliable thing, right? Never mind. That was a dumb question. I just haven't seen that in C++ version yet. Reliable essentially makes it so that the method must run. Yeah. It's been a minute since I've messed with multiplayer, and I haven't done multiplayer shit in C++ at all. Yeah, I remember saying reliable now when I was messing with that survival game stuff. There we go. Yeah, did an oopsie there? Hey, the oopsies happen. They happen. It is what it is. It caused an infinite loop there. Yep. I knew that sounded like an infinite loop. Whoops. But did that fix your issues though? Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, we got ads. While we have ads, I'm gonna go take a pee break real quick. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. So, I'm just gonna continue organizing this stuff here. Now it's time to think about how I'll use the items. Hell yeah. Hey, at least you got that damn thing fixed. No. So probably similar to your way? Yeah. Yeah, that part isn't too bad. I think just getting the damn stuff in the inventory is harder than using the items.
Lace your heart with mine. Let your sleeping soul take flight. Take me through the
A new folder here. Materials.
down by the river. Down by the river. Hanging moon in fall.
Mammoth Can? Hi, what's up, Mammoth Can?
You belong. Sweep me off my feet.
I could do equipable items actually, like medkits and such. Yeah, I don't think that would be a bad idea. Like you equip a consumable, that way you can just quickly use it with a hotkey. Like if it's equipped, just bam, press the hotkey to heal up. Hog does? Yeah, I feel like a lot of games do it that way. Like you equip it and then you just hotkey to use it.
To be with me tonight. Take my hand and hold it tight. 'Cause you and I
And then you could also still add in the use item function, like when you click on it in the inventory.
were going down by the river. Down.
Neo Teo Games, Nasium Can. What up, what up?
Down by the river. Don't wake me up, just leave
Indeed, indeed.
dreaming.
Okay, so let's add these in here. Okay, these shouldn't be in here. They should be in there. I was seeing your streams and finally I am here. Hey, well, welcome in. I'm glad you came to check it out. Do you do some game dev stuff? I dare Ederson Narcissum. I have no idea what you're saying there, man. I'm gonna just finish off, organize these textures, then I'll probably go ahead and hop off for a little bit. Said okay, how are you? It's Turkish. Oh, I'm good. How are you, man? How are you? Alright, that's all I kind of wanted. Well, we could go ahead and set our female head in here, I guess, and then I'll hop off. Where is it? NJ? NJ? What is NJ? Metahumans. Oopsies. Whoops. Base female. That was an accident? Uh-oh. Fat fingered it. Let's grab. Let's throw it in there. Now I need to... Oh, she also has the head male materials, but... Something about like that. Materials. Let me grab. Hydrate, sure. Good old water. Good old water. Alright, so let me set that. In there. Set it over here too, just in case. Okay. There we go. Badass. Alright, so we got all that situated. So in the next part, we'll just start making some damn icons. Stuck in icon hell for a while here. Alright, so yeah. We'll call it here. Let's see. Awesome stream, man. I appreciate it. Okay, I don't see any of the homies on. So, we'll just call it here. Here it over to Siler's stream. Is Siler on? Do I not follow Siler? I guess I don't. Maybe that's why. I guess I don't follow Siler yet. He's on yet? Damn, I guess I don't follow him. I thought I already did. That's why I don't see him on the list. Yeah, let's find Siler. Oh, you got the link to it. Hell yeah. I do follow him. Why don't I see him on my list? I have to investigate this real quick. Where the hell is he? Yeah, he's just straight up not on my live list. Here, let me show this real quick. Oh, that's odd? That is odd. He's just not here. Oh, wait a minute. My list is all screwy. Oh, he is. He's way up here. It's because my list is screwed up. I like it high to low. Never mind. My list got screwy. Oh, yeah. Let's raid to a Siler. Yeah, hell yeah. Siler. Alright, so yeah, I appreciate everyone for hanging out. We're gonna raid out to Siler Atomic, who's been making a badass tower defense game. Also has saved the day for me and Ben yesterday in GitHub. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for hanging out. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, homies. Peace out.